Hey everybody, it's Cora. Thanks for dropping in. I'm one of your Jujube creative crew of spring 2022. So this video is going to be an unboxing, first look reaction, and I'm pretty excited about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Full disclosure, this video, I am recording it before I even know what the new releases are, what the new prints or products that Jujube is going to be putting out there. I just received my box today from the amazing Jujube, and I wanted to go ahead and do a video of unboxing, kind of do like an honest first look reaction to them, because I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. And just to let you know, it's a heavy box that I got today, and I really had to contain my excitement from opening it right away when I saw it. So let's go ahead and get started. I got my box cutter to dig right into this box. I'm actually very surprised how quick I got this box, especially when they just shipped it out, and I just couldn't wait to get started on doing this whole Jujube creative crew assignment. I'm pretty stoked about it. Okay. Alrighty. Oh my god. Alright, so I guess there is a lot that's gonna be coming up this April. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm tell you the truth, I'm really trying not to just throw everything out of this bag to look at it, because it's looking really exciting. Let's see. Alrighty, so I'm moving on to the next one. Really excited to go ahead and show it to you. But this one's actually really caught my eye. And this one here is another Midi. And oh my gosh. And it has like a rose gold colored hardware with a rose colored mauve colored straps, and just look at that print on this bag. It has like a light pink, a copper orange, brown, creamish combination, and the hardware looks like it's a brush rose gold. Here's the pocket, the zipper liner, the rose colored. Ooh, and inside is a not rose colored, is a light pink colored interior. That is pretty. Honestly, I am a sucker for rose gold colored hardware. My wedding ring is rose gold colored. Ooh. The interior in this one is the light pink. Again, hopefully the light is catching and you can really see it. I like how light and light this color is. It's very soft to look at. There's a seatbelt straps on the Midi. I feel like this Midi is a bit more structured than the other Midi I have. The Midi I have is in the lilac chromatics and doesn't feel as structured. This one feels like there's a frame in the front and in the back, which is pretty sturdy, which I like because I actually like structured bags. But that is just such a pretty interior. I feel like I'm gonna have fun packing this. So this one here is a chromatics material. Ooh, and okay, let me just show you. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. So here is how it looks on the outside. And it's funny because I was actually thinking of this color because when I was packing my Dr. BFF in the Toki Retreat, on the woven strap, if you check it out, there's kind of like a blue blush color and then a yellow. And I was actually thinking that would be great if there was like a yellow chromatics fabric color as opposed to like the amber, which is a bit darker. That would look great on Tokyo Retreat. I don't have any Tokyo Retreat with me, but I think I'm gonna try that out with it. And then inside, that's pretty cool. You can check that interior out. Looks like it's a green, a pale light blue, or a kind of a grayish dot, and the yellow. That is really cute. Then it comes with the straps, the wristlet strap, and the longer strap for crossbody or shoulder carry. That is pretty. And then let's go ahead and look at the hardware. Looks like the hardware is kind of just like a gold colored hardware, brushed. And I like the chromatics material. But I don't have, again, the chromatics material with me on hand, but this material feels a bit more, feels thicker and sturdier than the regular chromatics, because I think that extra lining that it has. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it just as much as I've been excited to pull everything out to look at them. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, requests, or if you have any questions about what I have so far, and I hope I can answer them all for you. And so watch out for my upcoming videos. I will be doing packing videos, on the body mod shots of the bags that I got, and I'll also be doing some print comparisons for them, okay? So please watch out for them. Thank you for your support. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!